Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to remove page breaks in Google Docs. Firstly, scroll through your document to locate the page break you want to remove. It will appear as a dashed line with the text by page break in the middle. Position your cursor just before the dashed line or double-click it on the page break to select it. Just press the backspace or delete key on your keyboard to remove the selected page break. Just note that this method also works for removing section breaks if you want that, of course. And finally, ensure that you've deleted the correct page break. If you removed the wrong one by mistake, just press Ctrl+Z or CMD+Z on Mac to undo the changes. With these steps, you can easily remove page breaks and adjust your document layout in Google Docs. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.